Good day everyone, welcome to Paramount Swiftlet Farm here in the Philippines. And for today we're here, it's a Saturday. Once again we have our weekly inspection in this project because I was there in office for the last 5 days. And today I'm going to show you the ongoing construction, their development for the last 5 days. And for today we have 7 workers. We hire additional workers, the welder, so that we can install the purlins, which we can attach the roofing, and hopefully in a few weeks from now we could already install the roofing. And after that we go inside for the installation, also for the wood planks where the birds can build their nest. And for today we're going to go inside and I will show you the ongoing construction. Today we're going to go inside to inspect the construction. We had already installed the trusses, and for now we're going to install also the C-purlins, so that we can start the roofing. We can install the roofing, and that column is we have only 2 columns not yet poured by concrete, and maybe today we could pour that into concrete, and we're going to go in plastering of the walling. This is our materials. To join the C-purlins, since the length of that is only 20 feet or 6 meters. We had already installed all the trusses, and that portion there is the brooding room for the birds to go inside before they go in the inside the main area for their place where they can build their nest. This is the only this is one of the 2 column that we not yet pour the concrete, and maybe today or tomorrow we could put concrete on it. This is also the concrete which we're going to put in the piling of the hollow blocks. There you see the area where we're going to make a hole so that the bird can pass through. Let's go in the area where we're going to put our sound system here. this area here, going to put our sound system for the birds, or the bird sounds that we can record from my existing bird's house. And this is the opening, and this building is just adjacent to my existing building. That's my existing building. And this is the entrance, and up there is the entrance for the birds. We have to go around this building. This is my existing building, and that bird's house also is the bird's house of my friend. And here, this is the back portion. The grasses are already grown. We have to clean this area here, and we have to put concrete, and also we have to make a canal so that this building will be surrounded by water, so that the insect or other animals that harmful to the birds could not go inside. The lizard, the cockroach also, and also the termites. That's very harmful to the birds, and the termites is will go to the wood planks, and I can there. There you see the pipes. That pipes serve as the ventilation to the building. The air could pass through, but we have to put elbow in the other side so that the light could not directly pass through, and we can still have a very dark room or building inside, so that the birds could feel they go inside the cave, and they are also feel that they are living in the cave, since these birds in natural habitat for them, for these birds are caves. They are living in the caves, so we are trying to imitate the cave. So this is the other side of the building. Maybe in the few months or next month, we can start plastering in the walling. This is the inside of the building. This is our hollow blocks. This hollow blocks measures 4 inches in the side and 8 inches from here to here, and this is 16 inches from here to here. Down there is the area where we prepare our materials. We have to paint it with rust protector. Thank you so much, guys, for watching Paramount Swiftlet Farm, especially to our subscribers from Indonesia, Malaysia, Philippines, and some other nation, especially in the Asia, because you have also Swiftlet in your area. So thank you so much, guys, and shout out also to my friend Kim in Sarawak, and to my subscribers also in Indonesia. I forgot their names. And thank you so much, guys, for watching Paramount Swiftlet Farm here in the Philippines. Thank you so much, and once again, good afternoon.